cars. Yay! What's that? Is that a tractor?
That's pulling thing.
Well. What was that? An arena?
To what they're doing in the arena at the moment.
An arena? Cool. Wow.
So
Hello. Okay, cheese.
I think that's old Blue. What is that? Is that not one? No, it's not then. Old Blue used to live around the top corner from us.
Boo. What is this?
Just like that wire edge.
Cat. Gun. They're very big and blue. He's speaking.
Somebody in the arena.
Pizza. That's a weird engine. Purple. Big engine.
Now, I'm Jez. I'm going to do some tricks and stunts and driving and stunt driving on four different vehicles today.
Okay.
First of all,
Over there.
we're going to get onto me mountain bike.
Where is
Leave a
it?
motorbike running so it gets up to temperature.
Whoa.
We're going to try and wheelie around the arena. It's a little bit lumpy and bumpy. So we're going to see how far a fat lad from the north east can go wearing motorbike boots doing a wheelie. All the way around. Sunrise up and down the road.
Yeah.
Have one of them back at.
Yeah.
But here we go. Check this out, kids. A 57-year-old bloke doing a wheelie on a motorbike as good as you. Now we've got some music to play. Play me music. All she's got to do is push one button. Oh, I will set some kids already. Here we go. I could just see the Queen track. Someone's went for home already. That's my job here doing. So check this out. This is called a foam Sterndale bike. Aluminium frame, front suspension form. 29 gears, the new 7.5-inch size front wheels, the back wheels. And it's got hydraulic disc brakes. That's sorry about that. That woke up the neighbours. The junction 35. Oh, a bit bumpy and bumpy.
Whoa, it's a Cadbury's car.
To the gravel tarmac. You might give us a small round of applause. You can see that. Minta. Hang on. Can I get this bit back? Now you can see it. I've got man flu this morning. It's ugly, or out of breath, or swimming like a fat lad, dancing at a distance. But it's because I'm under the weather. So what I'm going to try and do is break it down here, and I'm going to say, kids, turn around, kids. Turn around, kids.
Yes, the orange car.
I'm going to shout 3, 2, 1. You get your cameras ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Start clapping your hands if you want. Where I come from, giving you a thumbs up and talking is multitasking. Everyone shout, turn around, kids! Alright.
56 and 7s now.
Looking good. Someone just whispered, it's not bad for a fat lad. Remember, all your videos, all your photographs. Send them to me.
It's so beautiful.
After me, there's the every stunt shows. And everyone, give us a big round of applause.
Sweet inside.
27 years ago is when I wanted to ride the mountain bike.
I was blackened down
There you go. From mountain bike to motorbike. What an invention. A bike with a motor. I can just tell that the fans put in, so it's up to temperature.
No, this is the clarity.
Should have warmed up my brakes. They're not very warm. Stay back at the top. Alright. And once I get the brakes warmed up,
Where's Shambody?
and wheelies on the front wheel. Have you been drinking? As much as this? He's sat down and he's got his hands. Especially after I had 16 cans last night. From that corner to that corner on the back wheel. Shout yes if you're ready. 1, 2, 3, are you ready? Excellent.
Yeah. Cars. Ooh, Nastin.
Now I am a cheeky northern man, so please take me Joe with a bucket full of salt. Boys and girls, come on,
Oh, they're quite
1, 2. I remember one by your
Hiya.
12.5 going on then. Last wheelie. Make some noise, everybody! Brilliant. Now, there's one thing doing a wheelie on the back wheel.
Ducky.
Doing a wheelie on the front wheel. Let's see if the kids know the sun's here with the deer. I'm going to do a front wheel wheelie, right? You know what it's called? You know it. Answers in the question there. Called a wheelie on the front wheel. We're going to go from there, follow your front brake, get the front wheel up, fingers crossed, stand up a long of his beer. There we go. Front wheel wheelie, could go wrong, let's say. 3, 2, 1. Give us a round of applause.
I'm dizzy now.
Come on, then form your hands up, Richie. Even though it's a listening here. Everything else, you've got to be louder. Do you want to see that again? Excellent. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Make some noise. Okay. You want to do it again? Yeah? Okay. Do it again. Let's go a little bit quicker. More chance of crossing. Always looks good when you've been framed.
You've been framed. I like you've been framed.
Clap your hands, everyone! When you practice that for the first time, you go over the bars quite a lot. And at night, when your teeth skid along on the concrete, never mind the grass. Last attempt, 5, 4, 3, 2,